terms of the visualizations only for the American Bank View. So here we are taking the American Bank View to do some visualizations for the internal columns which are being given. So for that what we are doing is that, for example, we want to have a visualizations for the 7 columns. Before that we are being showing in terms of some names, that is I have some full name here. Okay, I'm selecting that, so it is showing some full names, and for these names I'm asking who all are joined. I'm seeing in the date of joining there are some date hierarchy, so I'm asking that who all are joined in this one, that is in terms of year. Okay, and quarter. So what this indicates is that we are asking you to have the information who all are joined, and these are the people who all are joined. You are having so many number of people. All these are being joined in the year and also to that of your extent in quarters. That is in which quarter you have all these things, right? That is being shown, and this is one way, one thing what we have visualized. Just it's a small visualization, right? So for example, if you want to have any information, you can have from this one. So what this indicate is that you want to show in terms of table, you can show. Okay, just click on the three dots which are been there, click on the tables. You want to show in terms of table, you can show that, or you want to sort the data in terms of full name or year or 2007 quarter, you can sort that. So if you click on any one option, it will give you the resultant in terms of the quarter. Okay, so the quarters, it is being shown in terms of quarter from low highest to lowest. You can see from quarter 4 to quarter 1. Otherwise you want to show in terms of sorting the data in terms of ascending, you can click that. So you'll have from quarter 1 to quarter 4, right? So this is one way of visualization which is being shown here, which makes to say that a theoretical visualization. Next, if you want to have the information in terms of uh, someone is asking that we can have the data in terms of some ages with that of their full name. So ages with that of full name is nothing but ages are in terms of numbers and full name that you have. So that you can do here. So if you want to have, you can have that one in terms of some visualization. Okay, we'll have some stacked column chart, for example. Okay, so I want the ages. So I want the ages of these entire ages are being shown, but in terms of full names. So it is being showing this, right? Which you are being getting, right? So we are doing everything on the screen, which is been having in terms of white screen. So what I want to do here is that I want to do some changes where I want to have my background screen in some other color. Okay, so my background is white here. So rather than that, I'll go for here to have in this visualizations only. In the visualizations, we are having a called format page. We'll click on this and you'll get this page here. In this one, we are having a background which is called canvas background. You can see we are clicking this canvas background. So until I will keep this one, we are clicking the canvas background. In the canvas background, we are having an option called browser. So in the browse option, I have stored my background how it should be there. So I want to take that. So I have the background of this one, which is being shown. Let's see, rather than having in this manner, I'll go for some other one. Okay, right. So what this indicate is that just a minute. So we are being showing here in terms of in this format. No? So we want the data to be in terms of like this, which we want to do some changes. Okay, right. So you are being shown with that of your information. So I'll click on browse and I'll make the things to happen. So I'll try to bring this one to here. Okay. So there is the image which we brought here, but normally fit that normal or fit. We are having image fit. So we are being browsed at that one and we brought that and we'll see the transparency. So it is not comfortable. So it is being very much small. You can see in the canvas background. So what I'll do is that it is now comfortable. So I'll try to have to fit or fill. If I click there, it is filling. You can see, right? We are asking you to fill the information in this manner. So it has been filling that. Okay. So in the format page, click on the canvas background and we'll be browsing the file here and we'll keep that. If it is fitting, fine. If it is not able to fit, we have to click on the image fit and fit this one. Otherwise you click here, it will fit that. Or otherwise if you click this and fill, it will fill. If you keep normal, you'll have like this is the original size of the image what we have, but we want to fill the entire information, so we ask it to fill that. So it is filling, or if you ask it to fit, it will fit entirely. So you can see it is filled entirely where we are having. Okay, so what we are going to do is that now I'll try to do the changes for this one. So changes for this one is nothing but we are having the graph already, it is being shown. You can see how it is been visualization, right? It is being showing very clearly how it is visualizing, right? So what I'm going to do is that in the plot area of background, that is for this one you have to select this. When you select this, it will go to the format visual, and you can see that you have the and click on effects if you want. So when you click on effects, you are asking to change this, no? So it will be start doing changes. You have to ask the changes, no? So it will do some changes. See, it is being changing the background. You can see. Okay. So background is off. Then you are getting this. You can see. So just click here. I have selected this and I click on visualization. Go for title. Sorry. Go for effects, and we have called for offer option. If you click on option, you get this. You can do the changes, or if you want this background only, you can click this background option off. So after that, if you want to do some changes in your property, because when you are doing some changes, no, definitely there should be some effectiveness in the graph. So for that, what you have to do is you have to do some changes in the graph. Means you can do that. Okay, those are comes for example. You can have the visualization of this in terms of changing. See, if you extend that, there will be a change in the height and width. So if you extend this to this region, so it will be a change in the height and width. So that is the thing what happens. The size of these properties is getting changed. The horizontal position, how much you want, you can change it. And vertical. Vertical is 325 and horizontal is 9. So if you click that, you'll be having the changes how you can see. Select this and you can see that, right? So that is the thing. Next, you can have the layouts also. So what I'll be doing here is that I'll be doing some changes here in the graph only, and that properties are nothing but I want to have some colors. The effectiveness in the, so what I'm doing is that I'll do some changes for the title. That is not the title, for the fonts of these things, right? To understand very clearly, I'm doing this. Okay, I want to do some changes in the font. So that font is nothing but the visualization of those fonts I want to change. So I'll be changing for the x-axis only. Okay, so for the x-axis, I'll be changing the title in terms of some color. That is, I want to keep some gray color. Okay, title text is auto. Okay, fine. I have some names now. So in the x-axis, I have some names. Right, I want to change this into Cambrian, and I want to change that in terms of the size. Okay, show the title only. So if you don't want the title to be shown, you can off this. If you click this, the title will be off. Next, what are the values you are having that is being shown? So if you want to show in terms of values, you can click that. It is being showing in terms of white color. So what you have, and you can change in terms of Times New Roman. You can see there is a change over. So if it is not appropriately visible in terms of title, you can change to black. See, you can see there is a change over in terms of black, right? So now what I am doing is that this is the visualization part of that blocker. Now I want to do some changes in filtering. So the filtering is nothing but, as you can see, the full name, everything is being shown. This is for this block, the full name is being shown. So I want to do some filtering. So basic filtering I want to implement. So what I want to implement is that I want to have some top 10 members only. Okay, top, show me the top 10 in terms of age. Okay, so click on apply. So it has done that. Only top 10 members you got here. You can see very clearly. Okay, so if you want, you can minimize this. That is not at all a problem. You can have this now. These are the top 10. For example, you want to have only 5. Click on the ages in terms of top 5 members. These are the 5 members who are there. Top 5 members in terms of age. So the color impact, if you want to change, you can change that. So add the color impact. So for this one, so go for visualization, and you can have the colors to change that in the format. Okay, in the x-axis, right? This is visualization color data labels. Okay, not labeling. Go for generalization. You can see the colors what we have. You can change them. The text color is background is black. What is being shown? Okay, fine. The title and everything. Effects, if you want to change, you can change them. So for your shadows, what we have, right? So the most important thing, we have changed the color of this. For example, if you want to do for this one, okay, on the top one, so you can do that. Format the painter. Click on the format painter and implement this for this one. It has done. Okay. So if you want to have this in terms of anything as a KPI or anything, you can click that. Okay. It is showing, right? So these are the things of colors how you are being shown. So for a particular person, you can show your quarter one or quarter two or quarter three how they are being changed. So if you want to have the overall one, you can show that, right? So that is the thing, and I can change the color of this also. That is the filter. The color of this is can be changed. That I'm saying. Okay. So that is for the columns. You can see there is a color now. In the visualization only in the columns I have went. For all the categories we are giving the colors now. So what I'm going to do is that for individual category, for example, for this person I'm giving blue. For this person I'm giving some other color. Okay, you can give it some other color here. I want to give this color. Okay, give that. So you can see. Okay, for this person I want to have some other color. I can give that, and you can see that one, right? For the another person, if you want to have the color, so I can keep that. Oh, sorry, I'm selecting no. So for this person, if you want to go for this one, go for columns. Okay. For denizens, I want to have a color, so I can give some other color. For this person, I want some other color. I can give that person with some other color, which is a some color. Right? These are the colors what we have. Right? What we are shown. Right? So this is the ages. Next. So I want to have the data now in terms of what are the profits. So I want to show in terms of the balance sheet that of the context. So I want to have that. Then I can have in terms of having this in terms of balance. Okay, rather than showing like this, I don't want to show like this. I want to show in terms of some line chart with a clustered column chart. Okay, so we want to show this one. So I can take this chart, select this chart, bring it here onto the top. I want what is the information that I have, that is in terms of what are the years, what are the years that I have. Okay, I don't take years. Okay, I'll take in terms of months. what are the months data that I have, and what is the genders of each one. Okay, that is in the y-axis only. Okay, data is being filled, and what is the educations that are being done. So rather than that, I'll go for months, gender, and now what are the house loans that I have. I'll take house loans. Okay, so it is been showing some not house loan, the balance of this one with the month, not in terms of gender. The month and this one. Okay, x axis is joined with month, age. Okay, and what is the balance and what is the households. See, it is showing the chart like this. So, for example, you want to have this chart, this one in terms of the format, just click here and click on this. You'll have your format, right? You can see this very clearly. Just I have done a small change, not a matter of major changes. I do have changes of this one, right? So just I have asked it to do the changes and it has been doing the right. So this is the thing. So this is being shown for your American Bank new. So take a click on the text box option and write the text here. That is American Bank dashboard. It is an American dashboard. What we have asked. So you got this. That is fine. If you want to have the format this also, you can click that. This is your American dashboard. And do the changes here with the help of your some format. Go for Cambrine. No, not ever. Go for Cambrine. Right. This is the dashboard of this one. What we have. Right. So which is we have done only for small thing, which we are be showing. So we have sent you today a form which has been having to upload the data which is of American Bank dashboard what I've done, and also we have to do the dashboard which has been already giving yesterday what we have done, the dashboard and the Power BI installed. All these things you have to upload, so that we have given you as a Google form. So please fill your data and upload your information what we are showing here. So we have done only for the ages in terms of the house loans in particular ages what we have, right? So that we are shown here, right? So you can have this, and for today we are showing only this. Tomorrow we will show, we are shown the backgrounds and we are shown how to change the fonts of your information and how to change the colors of your data to segregate, and also the filter option for some of the changes of ages. All these things we have shown. So please do this and upload your information, everything, and you have shared your attendance to your concerned college also. They are looking after your attendance. Please fill the form of this Google form of your attendance and also the Google form of the assignment that is given. So please do that assignment and upload that. we will share the assignment also to your college whether you are done or not. Okay, thank you for today for the class. We'll see remaining things tomorrow. There are so many changes we are going to do for this sheet. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, thank you.